ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी, आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. Successfully, with God's grace, I have completed second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and I am very happy to start third chapter of Bhagavad Gita. This project of translating everything or giving meaning of entire Jnaneshwari in English language is started from the blessings of Puja Dr. Narayan Maharaj Jadhav. He is my teacher. I was studying with him, and after completion of study, I went to further study. And when I came back, he told me you have to tell Jnaneshwari in English. Since you can talk in English language, so definitely you can translate Jnaneshwari in English language. Important thing is you have understood up to some extent Jnaneshwari in Marathi. So it will be really good if you can translate in English. So with his words and his blessings, I have started this journey. So with successfully, I think successfully I have completed 2 chapters. Today we are embarking new chapter, which is third. So before starting to this third chapter, little bit introduction about the chapter. So first chapter, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, where Arjuna's grief he narrated in that chapter. So I feel this is the problem, that is the problem. I will commit sin, then entire clan will vanish from this earth, and where this women will go, and their women they will spoil themselves. Then Jati Dharma, Sanatan Dharma, everything will collapse. Then Bhagavan gave him knowledge, starting from Ashochananvashocastvam prajnavadamscha bhashase. Starting from there till 25th shloka, Bhagavan gave knowledge to him. That is called Buddhi Yoga, Jnana Yoga, or Sankhya Yoga, where karta, karma, nothing remains. So second chapter he gave knowledge of Jnana Yoga. Now in third chapter, the name of the chapter is Karma Yoga, where Bhagavan is going to tell about Karma Yoga. So karma is different, Karma Yoga is different. There is distinction. I have explained this before also. In one line, karma means self-centered actions. Karma Yoga means God-centered action. For example, I am talking on Jnaneshwari. So it will be Karma Yoga if I am talking for God. It will be karma if I talking for my name and fame. So same action, only the attitude behind that action, intention behind that action differs, karma or karma yoga. So now Bhagavan is going to talk about karma yoga. So Bhagavan said Jnana yoga is the best, and now Bhagavan is telling you do karma. Bhagavan said Buddhau Sharanam Anvichya Krupana Phala Hetu. Buddhau Sharanam Anvichya. Buddhi Yoga, you surrender. And then Bhagavan later he said, Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You should do karma. So first he said, you should acquire knowledge, abide in that knowledge, where there is no karta, no karma. And then Bhagavan said, you should do karma. So these two sentences are confusing, whether I should do karma or I should not do karma, whether karma yoga is superior or jnana yoga is superior. With this question, the chapter starts. So once again, I seek blessings of my all teacher uh, of Warkari Shikshan Samstha, my teacher Swami Bodhatmananda Saraswati ji, Mothe Mauli, then Ullas Baba, परम पूज्य प्रातस्मरणीय शांति ब्रह्म कुरेकर महाराज, परम पूज्य आदरणीय प्रातस्मरणीय शास्त्री बाबा, परम पूज्य आदरणीय प्रातस्मरणीय भास्कर महाराज शिंदे, परम पूज्य आदरणीय प्रातस्मरणीय शिंदे माऊली. With all their blessings, I am going to start the third chapter. Especially, I would like to seek blessings of परम पूज्य प्रातस्मरणीय आदरणीय Dr. Narayan Maharaj Jadhav, with whose prompt I have doing all these things, or with whose grace I am standing speaking in front of you. So now, shloka number first, I gave you introduction that Bhagavan said Jnana Yoga is best. Then he said, you do karma. Then Jnana Yoga is best. Then why are you asking me to do karma? With this question, third chapter starts. जायसी चेत कर्मणस्ते मता बुद्धिर्जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव जायसी चेत कर्मणस्ते मता बुद्धिर्जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव. विग्रह जायसी चेत कर्मणः ते मता बुद्धिः जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव. We will see Anvaya now. Vigraha means what? We separate sandhis which has happened. So there can be swara sandhi, visarga sandhi, vyanjan sandhi, any sandhi is possible. So sandhi separation is called vigraha. Now you see. He Janardana, the one who protects all the people. Janardana, karmanaha buddhihi jayasi. Te mata. Chet tat he Keshava, mam ghore karmani kim niyojayasi. Beautiful. I'll explain word by word. He says, Janardana, O protector of all. Karmanaha, from karma or compared to karma. Karma compared to karma. Buddhi hi jayasi. Buddhi hi jnana yoga. So compared to karma, buddhi hi jayasi. Buddhi jnana yoga is superior. Te mata, your theory only. According to you only. Chet, if Jnana Yoga is superior than Karma Yoga according to you, tat, so, He Keshava, O Bhagavan Krishna, Mam, to me, Ghore Karmani, in this terrible action, Kim Niyojayasi, why are you enjoining me in these actions? Why are you pushing me into these actions which are terrible? Because all actions they are going to give karma, and for that karma you have to have karma phala. Karma phala means you have to go through joys and sorrows in your life. So simple question, if knowledge is superior than karma according to you Bhagwan, then why are you putting me or pushing me into actions? Now Bhagwan Jnaneshwar Maharaj says, Maga aika Arjune म्हणितले देवा देवा तुम्ही हे जे वाक्य बोलिले ते निकेम्या परिसले कमळापती. मग ऐका अर्जुने म्हणितले, देवा तुम्ही जे वाक्य बोलिले, ते निकेम्या परिसले कमळापती. मग देन ऐका, लिसन. अर्जुने म्हणितले, then Arjuna said. Then means when Bhagavan Krishna gave entire knowledge, after that, after second chapter, he said that Arjuna म्हणितले, देवा देवा तुम्ही जे बोलिले, whatever you said, देवा, oh Lord, तुम्ही, you, जे, whatever, वाक्य, sentence, बोलिले, said, oh Lord, whatever you said, ते, that, निके, nicely, sincerely, म्या परिसले, I have heard that sincerely, oh Bhagwan. Kamalapati. So Kamalapati means Bhagwan Krishna. Whatever you said in second chapter, I have heard it nicely, oh Bhagwan. Then what is the problem? Now he says, Tetha karma ani karta उरेचिना पाहता ऐसे मत तुझे अनंता निश्चित जरी. तेथ कर्म आणि करता उरेचिना पाहता ऐसे मत तुझे अनंता निश्चित जरी. Now he says तेथ means whatever I heard there. कर्म आणि करता, कर्म action, karta doer of that action. Urechina pahata. If you see carefully after knowledge, gaining knowledge, karma karta urechina. There won't be karta because you are a karta. That is the knowledge Bhagavan gave. So there, if karta is not there, karma won't be there. So karta is not there. How I can do or anyone can do action? You are asking me to do actions. Whatever you spoke in second chapter, after listening that, there no remains karta. So how can I do actions? And you are telling me to do actions. And this is not my theory. Tujhe mata ananta ananta. Oh Lord, I say tujhe mata. This is your theory. Nishchit zari. If this is your definite opinion, if this is your theory, if this is your theology, okay, तरी माते केवी हरी मनसी पार्था संग्राम करी ये लाजसी ना महाघोरी कर्मी सुता. So karta karma doesn't remain. Then tari mate kevi hari मनसे पार्था संग्रामी संग्राम करी ये लाजसी ना महाघोरी कर्मी सुता. तरी then माते to me, केवी हरी, why O Lord to me, मनसी say, Partha Sangrama Kari. If Karta and Karma doesn't remain, if doer doesn't remain, then why are you pushing me into this battle? Sangrama Kari. And he says, aren't you ashamed of this? You're telling something and doing something else. Ye lazasina. Don't you have shame? Aren't you ashamed of this, O Bhagwan? What? Mahagori Karmi. You are pushing me into very terrible action world. You are putting me into the terrible action world where actions are performed. Results will come. You have to go through that results. Again, you will perform some actions and this will continue. So this is terrible action business. You don't put me here. You don't push me here, O Bhagwan. Then he says, Haga karma tuchi ashesha निराकारिसी निशेष तरी मज करवी हे हिंसक का करविसी तू, हागा कर्म तूची अशेष, निराकरिसी निशेष, तरी मज करवी हे हिंसक, का करविसी तू. So he says, Arjuna is talking, तूची अशेष कर्म निशेष निराकारिसी. O Lord, Haga and Tuchi, you yourself, Ashesha karma, entire karma, Nirakarisi. You are, you have done the negation of all the actions. You have condemned all the karmas. Then again, Tari Mazakarvi Tari. So you only negated all the actions, and now you only are pushing me into this destructive actions. Himsaka, violence will be there. In such kind of actions you are pushing me. Tari mazakarvi tari. Then if you have negated all the actions and doer, then tari, then mazakarvi he himsaka, then through me this violence ka karavisi tu, why are you making me to do all this kind of violence? That is not fair, Bhagwan, because you only denied all the actions. तरी हेची विचारी ऋषिकेशा, तू मानू देसी कर्मलेशा, आणि सनी हे हिंसा, आणि ये सनी हे हिंसा करवित आहासी. तरी हेची ऋषी तरी हेची विचारी ऋषिकेशी, तू मानू देसी कर्म ले. तरी हेची विचारी ऋषिकेशा, तू मानू देसी कर्म लेशा, आणि येसनी हे हिंसा करवीत आहासी. Now the same thing again he says, you think, O Bhagwan. Now Arjuna is asking Bhagwan to think. You see what is the condition now. If Bhagwan is asking Arjuna to think, then that is fine. But Arjuna is asking Bhagwan to think. He says, Tari. Then, since Karta Karma is not possible, you are asking me to do action. You think, O Bhagwan. Tari hechi vichari Rishi Kesha. O Rishi Kesha, O Lord Krishna. You think, you consider this what? Tu manu desi karmalesha. You are respecting this action. You are respecting this action and asking us to do all sorts of actions. So actually, Manu Desi here means, in Marathi they say Man Desi. Actually here Manu Desi means the cessation of action. So you have approved that actions cannot be done if you have knowledge. This situation is there, and Yesani to us, He himsa karavita hasi. You are asking us to do this kind of violence. You are commanding me to kill all the people. You think Arjuna, you think Bhagwan. So same kind of bhava again he is saying, you already negated all the actions. You are asking me to do actions. You think Bhagwan, you are, you know, approving the cessation of action, yet at the same time commanding me to kill. Now Arjuna says this mixed sentence, like this side also you will talk, that from that side also you will talk. This kind of sentence you don't tell, means this is also good, that is also good. You tell me what is good for me. This he says. You are saying jnana is good, knowledge part is good, and you are saying action is good. So don't tell like this. You tell me vividly, explicitly, clearly that what is good for me. व्यामिश्रेणेव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसीव मे, तदेकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयोऽहमाप्नुयाम् व्यामिश्रेणेव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसीव मे तदेकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयोऽहमाप्नुयाम् व्यामिश्रेणेव इव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसी इव मे तत् एकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयः अहम आपनुयाम. Beautiful sentence. You see now he says, मे बुद्धि मोहयसी. May buddhi, my intelligence is bewildered now. May my buddhi, intelligence, knowledge system here, mohayasi eva, as though you you have bewildered my thinking, my intelligence. Why? Vyamishreneva vakyena. Vyamishrena, mishrena vakyena means confusing sentence. Apparently, they are confusing sentence. Vakyena by sentence. Vyamishrena vakyena by confusing sentence. My intellect is not working. My intellect is deluded now, bewildered. Tad nischitya. So, you tat. So, nischitya, you have to tell me, you have to give me verdict. What is right for me? Nischitya ekam vada. Have decisively ekam vada. You tell me one thing. What? Yena, by that, aham, I, shreyah apnuyam. You tell me one thing with firm conviction so that I can get, I can attain highest good in my life. Shreyah, highest good in my life, apnuyam, I can attain. So, with your confusing sentences, my intelligence is deluded now. So, having after firm conviction, you tell me one appropriate thing to do. Because of that, I can get highest good in my life. Deva tua, now beautiful conversation between Arjuna and Bhagavan. Deva tuachi aise bolave, तरी आम्ही नेनती काय करावे आता संपले म्हणपा आघवे विवेकाचे देवा तुवाची ऐसे बोलावे तरी आम्ही नेणती काय करावे आता संपले म्हणपा आघवे विवेकाचे. देवा, O Lord, तुवाची ऐसे बोलावे. Lord, if you talk in this way, where everything is confused, my intellect is not working. If you are talking like this, means what? Tari amhi nenati kaya karave. Then we all are ignorant. Amhi nenati. We all are ignorant. You are all knowing person. Amhi nenati kaya karave. See, if you are talking confusive sentences, means what? You are confused. Oh God, if you are confused, then ignorant people like me, what they should do? And better you tell that the discrimination discrimination from this earth, it is vanished once and for all. आता संपले म्हणपा आघवे विवेकाचे. आता now आघवे विवेकाचे संपले म्हणपा. Now now you declare that there is no viveka left on this entire earth. God is confused. God is confusing disciples also, bhaktas also. Now, where is the Vivek? If God himself is confused, then there is no discrimination, there is no knowledge on this earth. आता संपले म्हणपा आघवे विवेकाचे. And Arjuna is now getting little bit hyper angry that हागा उपदेशु जरी ऐसा तरी अपभ्रंशुतो कैसा आता पुरला आम्हा दिवसा आत्मबोधाचा. हागा उपदेश जरी ऐसा तरी अपभ्रंशुतो कैसा आता पुरला आम्हा दिवसा आत्मबोधाचा. Now he says, if this is the teaching, Haga Upadesha Zari Aisa, if this is your teaching, like you can karta is not there, but you do actions. If this is the teaching, Tari Apabramshuto Kaisa, then what is called false teaching? If if whatever you have told so far, if that is teaching, then what is false teaching? आता पुरला आम्हा दिवसा आत्मबोधाचा. आता पुरला आम्हा दिवसा आत्मबोधाचा. This eagerness for knowledge which was there before, that has finished now. आता पुरला. Now दिवस आत्मबोधाचा दिवसा. Eagerness for knowledge which I had, it is over now. Finished. Because I ask you knowledge, you gave some knowledge, and I am confused. Now I don't want to seek knowledge anymore. Haga Upadesha, if this is the teaching, then what is called false teaching? Arjuna is telling, whatever you have told me, it is false teaching, Bhagavan. You understand this. Now, beautiful example he gives. You know, this is Jnaneshwari. वैद्योपथ्यवारुण जाये मग जरी आपणाची विष सुये तरी रोगिया कैसे निजिये सांगे मज. वैद्य पथ्यवारुणी जाये मग जरी आपणाची विष सुये तरी रोगिया कैसे निजिये सांगे मज. Beautiful example. He says, there is patient and Vaidyu, doctor is there. So what doctor does? Doctor gives medicine, prescription to a patient. Vaidya Pathyavaruni Jaye. So doctor gave prescription to patient, and after some time, doctor only gave poison to patient. मग जरी आपणाची विष सुये. So you see, he gave medicine first. After some time, doctor only came and he gave poison. Tari rogya kaise nijiye sange maz. Then how that patient will be alive, you tell me? Patient will die because doctor only gave poison to him. Same way, Bhagwan, you prescribed me some knowledge first. Then you came and you are telling me do actions. So the way doctor killed that person by giving poison, in the same way you are killing me by pushing me into actions. Tari rogya kaise nahi jiya? Then how that person will be alive, you tell me? Beautiful example. Now he says, जैसे आंधळे सुईजे आव्हाटा का माझवण दिजे मरकटा तैसा उपदेश हा गोमटा ओढवला असे. जैसे आंधळे सुईजे आव्हाटा का माझवण दिजे मरकटा तैसा उपदेश हा गोमटा ओढवला आम्हा. He says, there is a blind person and there is another person who is having eyes. So a person who can see properly, he put blind person in a path where there are hurdles, thorns, trees in between, and the road is not proper. In such a way, avata, where the road is not good, the things around the road are not good. In that kind of atmosphere or in that kind of environment, a person who can see properly pushes a blind person. जैसे आंधळे सुईजे अवाटा. Then what will happen? Person is already blind, but person who can see, he also did the mistake. In the same way, Arjuna said, I am already blind, I am already ignorant. You are all knower, and you are putting me into a path where there will be hurdles, thorns, stones, rocks in between. What will happen to me? I will fall down. He says, Ka Mazava Nadije Markata, or Mazavana means you gave uh, alcohol. You gave alcohol or intoxicating thing to monkey. Ka Mazava Nadije Markata. So already monkey is restless, can't sit in one place for a long time. And in that, you give him intoxicating thing, means alcohol you give. What will happen to that monkey? He will go crazy. In the same way, I am already restless and you are putting me into actions which is going to make me more restless. So what will happen to me? Taisa upadeshaha gomata odavala amma. Taisa upadesh. Like that, this teaching of yours is affecting me now. Just like blind person is affected, just like monkey is affected by poison, in the same way, your teaching is affecting me. Taisa upadeshaha gomata. Such a nice teaching is affecting me. Odavala amma. I have to go through it now. Bhagwan, what you have done? Beautiful. You see the way he talks. Mi adhicha kahi nene. वरी कवळिलो मोहे येणे कृष्णा विवेकुया कारणे पुसला तुझ मी आधीची काही नेणे वरी कवळिलो मोहे येणे कृष्णा विवेकुया कारणे पुसला तुझ. I did not know something and I am ignorant, Bhagwan. मी आधीची काही नेणे. I am ignorant to begin with. Vari kavalilo mohene. And on the top of that, I am encompassed by this delusion, with this attachment, with this confusion. So I came to you. Krishna, ya karane tuza vivek pusila. For that reason, I ask you some words of wisdom. I have asked you guidance, Bhagwan, because I am ignorant. And on the top of that, I am unable to think properly and I came to you. तव तुझी एक एकी नवाई एथ उपदेशा माझी गावई तरी अनुसरलिया काई ऐसे कीजे. तव तुझी एक एकी नवाई एथ उपदेशा माझी गावाई तरी अनुसरलिया काई ऐसे कीजे. I came to you because I was ignorant. I am ignorant and I don't know how to think. तव तुझी एक एकी नवाई. Your behavior is something else. Peculiar behavior, strange behavior you have, Bhagwan. एथ उपदेशा माझी गावाई. And the upadesha, the teaching, that also gavai, confusing. Your teaching is also confusing. Your behavior is also strange. तरी अनुसरलिया kai ऐसे कीजे. Tari, Bhagwan, you tell me. Anusariliya, if someone follows you, kai ऐसे कीजे, will you behave him like this, oh Bhagwan? In this way, will you behave someone who follows you? Arjuna is trying to manipulate Bhagwan. So I came to ask you something because I need it badly, and your behavior is very strange. Your upadesha is also confusing. Uh, you do should you do all these things, those who follow you, Bhagwan? He says, I have surrendered myself to you. Ami tanu manu jive, तुझिया बोलाओ टंगावे आणि वाची ऐसे करावे तरी सरले म्हणे. आम्ही तनु मनु जीवे तुझिया बोला ओटंगावे आणि वाची ऐसे करावे तरी सरले म्हणे. आम्ही, आय, वी, तनु मनु जीवे, with body, with mind, with full love, full heart, तुझिया बोला ओटंगावे, we respect your word like anything. तुझिया बोल, we do whatever you say भगवान, that much importance we give to your words. आणि वाचे ऐसे करावे, and in that speech you are behaving like this. तरी सरले म्हणे, then I will say there is end of this Arjuna now. Everything finished. Why? Because we trust, we follow your words. And in those words, you are talking something else, Bhagwan. What is this? आता ऐसिया परी बोधिसी तरी निके आम्हा करिसी एथ ज्ञानाची आस काईसी अर्जुन म्हणे. आता ऐसिया परी बोधिसी तरी निके आम्हा करिसी एथ ज्ञानाची आस काईसी अर्जुन म्हणे. आता ऐसिया परिबोधसी, इफ this way you are going to uplift me, if this way you are going to teach me, train me, tari nike amhasi karsi, then our kalyan has happened. See, this is not, this is sarcastic way he's telling. If you, if your teachings are like this, then our kalyan, हमारा कल्याण हो गया, आमचं कल्याण झालं आता भगवान, जर तू असं आम्हाला शिकवणार असशील तर. आता ऐसिया परी बोधिसी, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू एनलाइट अस इन दिस वे, निके आम्हा करिसी, then our kalyan will happen, our well-being will happen. And I don't think there is now a little bit hope for knowledge if your teaching is like this. Eth jnanachi aas kaisi. Here, eth jnanachi aas, hope for gaining knowledge kaisi. Where is that hope for knowledge? Arjuna mani, Arjuna says these words. So you see, to get Upadesha, how he trying to influencing Bhagwan, how he tries to influence Bhagwan. Beautiful. तरी ये जाणीवेचे कीर सरले, परी आणिक एक असे झाले, जे थिते हे डहुळले मानस माझे. तरी ये जाणीवेचे कीर सरले, परी आणिक एक असे जाहले, जे थिते हे डहुळले मानस माझे. तरी, now he says, what thought which I had in my mind, that has gone now. जाणीवेचे कीर सरले, कीर definitely, indeed, जाणीवेचे knowledge सरले, that has finished now. I came to you, I will know something, I will do something, I will grow in my life, everything gone. परी आणिक एक असे झाले, so I did not get knowledge, that is one thing. But परी आणिक एक असे झाले, one more thing has happened. What? जे थिते हे डहुळले मानस माझे. जे थिते मानस माझे हे डहुळले. The mind which was somewhat steady, now that mind has become disturbed now. Before coming to war, or before, till listening your knowledge, my mind was quite okay. I thought I got the knowledge. Now you say do action. So thite tahulale manasa maje, that mind which was steady, now it is perplexed, it is disturbed. Oh Bhagwan. So knowledge gone, but mind which was stable, that also. देवीची कृष्णा हे तुझे. Now he is questioning Bhagwan Krishna's character. This is called friendship. देवीची कृष्णा हे तुझे, चरित्र काही नेणिजे, जरी चित्त पाहसी माझे येणे मिशे. देवीची कृष्णा हे तुझे, चरित्र काही नेणिजे, जरी चित्त पाहसी माझे येणे मिशे. ओ भगवान कृष्ण, आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड युअर कॅरेक्टर. तेवीची कृष्ण मोर, तेवीची मोर ओव्हर कृष्णा हे तुझे चरित्र काही नेणीचे. आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड युअर कॅरेक्टर or your this behavior. What? You told knowledge is superior. You are asking me to do actions. I don't understand your way of behaving. And he says, are you testing my mind? जरी चित्त पाहसी माझे येणे मिशे. येणे मिशे on the pretext of this, do your actions. On the pretext of this sentence, are you testing me? This is Arjuna's question. Then later part we will see for the beautiful part. Now Arjuna is in full tension. Bhagwan, what are you doing? I don't know what will happen to me. So now we will see bhajan. Hmm. घेईन मी जन्म याजसाठी देवा, घेईन मी जन्म याजसाठी देवा, तुझी चरण सेवा साधावया, तुझी चरण सेवा साधावया, हरिनाम संकीर्तन संतांचे पूजन, हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन, घालू लोटांगण महाद्वारी, घालू लोटांगण महाद्वारी, हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन, आनंदे निर्भर असो भलते ठाई, आनंदे निर्भर असो भलते ठाई, सुख दुःख नाही चाड आम्हा, सुख दुःख नाही चाड आम्हा, हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन, आणि कसायास न करी न धरी आस, आणि कसायास न करी न धरी आस, होईन उदास सर्व भावे, होईन उदास सर्व भावे, हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन, घालू लोटांगण महाद्वारी, घालू लोटांगण महाद्वारी, हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन, हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन. मोक्ष आम्हा घरी कामारी ते दासी, मोक्ष आम्हा घरी कामारी ते दासी, होय सांगो तैसी तुका म्हणे, होय सांगो तैसी तुका म्हणे, हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन. हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन. घालू लोटांग महाद्वारी. घालू लोटांग महाद्वारी. हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन. हरिनाम कीर्तन संतांचे पूजन. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. तुकाराम 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 तुकाराम. पुंडलीक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.